students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 7 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 54 on number system. Let us see the first question. If x is more than or equal to a, then what is x? We have to write x as x in interval form. So as x is more than or equal to a, it implies x belong to x is more than a. So unequal to a we have, so closed interval a to infinity. Okay, because there is no upper value given here, so it can take up to infinity. Whenever you have infinity, that must be always ended with open bracket. So it is closed a to infinity. Closed a to infinity is nothing but second option for us. Okay, now let us see the next question. If mod 6x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 13, then x is, what do we have? Mod 6x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 13. Whenever you have greater than inequality, what you have to take? So whenever you have mod x more than or equal to a, we have to take either x less than or equal to minus a or x more than or equal to a. This is the rule. If mod x is more than or equal to a, x can be either less than or equal to minus a or more than or equal to a. So here also let us do the same. So 6x minus 5 is less than or equal to minus 13, or 6x minus 5 is more than or equal to 13. Both the cases, either of the cases. So 6x is less than or equal to both the sides that are added up with 5. So that is minus 8. That implies x is less than or equal to minus 8 upon 6. That is minus 8 upon 6 is otherwise minus 4 upon 3. Or here 6x is more than or equal to add up 5 on both the sides. It is 18. So x is both the sides divided with 6. So we have 3. X is more than or equal to 3. X is either less than minus 4 by 3 or more than or equal to 3. Therefore, we can say x belong to, according to this we can write it as minus infinity to minus 4 by 3. Here equality also we have, so it is closed. Union, it is starting from 3 and infinity, it reaches up to infinity. So the answer is minus infinity to minus 4 by 3 union 3 to infinity. Nothing but third option. Now let us see the next question. For what value of x? X minus 1 by x minus 3, x minus 5 is more than or equal to 3. Okay? X minus 1 by x minus 5 more than or equal to 3. Fine. Here one important point I would like to mention, that is, whenever you have a fraction greater than or equal to some constant, here these are the linear factors. Don't ever cross multiply. Okay? What should not be done? X minus 5 into 3. X minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 into x minus 1. That is the wrong way of solving the problem. We should not do that. Okay? If it is a constant, you can do that. If it is a fixed value, you can do that. But if it is a variable, never and ever do that. It's wrong. It's a blunder. So instead of that, what to do? We can take like x minus 1 by x minus 5 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Both the sides subtract. That is variable. That implies here we have x minus 5 as LCM. So we have x minus 1 minus 3 times of x minus 5, that is greater than or equal to 0. That is otherwise x minus 1 minus 3x plus 15 by x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Now x minus 1 minus 3x, that is nothing but minus 2x. Next, minus 1 plus 15, that is plus 14 by x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Let us do minus 2 common. Then what do you have? X minus 7 by x minus 5. Both the sides we are dividing with minus 2, means it will be less than or equal to 0. Inequality sign changes whenever you are trying to multiply or divide with a negative quantity. That is the rule. Now how to get the value? There is a simple method for that. X minus 7 will be 0, then x is 7. X minus 5 is 0, then x is 5. So these are called as critical points. These linear factors make equal to 0. Such values should write on the number line in an order. Number line rule we have to follow. To the right, if you go, the values will be keep on increasing. So 5 first and 7 later. Next, you start taking more than 7, whatever value you take, this result is always plus. Okay, so the graph is upwards. Because this is, if you take x-axis, above the x-axis values are positive. So here all the values are positive. For any x more than 7, these all values are positive. Next, in between 7 and 5, and this is how the curve will change. Means if you take any value less than 5, if you take, the result is minus upon minus is again plus. Any value less than x also, if you take the resultant fraction value becomes positive. So here also it is positive. Only in between 5 and 7 the value will be negative. Negative means less than 0. So here he is saying less than or equal to 0. So less than means you have to take, therefore x belong to 5 in between 5 and 7. Any value of x you take, the result will become negative. Okay, that's fine. Next, equal to 0 also there. But so we can take 7 also, because 7 minus 7 is 0. So 0 also we have in the given inequality sign. So we can take x as 7 also, but never take x as 5. Because if you take x as 5, 5 minus 5 0 in denominator, which is not a defined value. So we have to take x belongs to open 5 to close to 7. That is a solution set of x. X can take any value in between 5 and 7 and includes 7. So this is a solution set. So if you observe that here, fourth option is the right answer. Now let us see the next question. If mod 4x minus 7 is greater than 9, mod 4x minus 7 is greater than 9. Already we have, whenever we have greater than inequality, what to write? 4x minus 7 is either less than minus 9 or 4x minus 7 is more than 9. That implies 4x, both the sides add up 7, minus 2. Or here both the sides add up 7, 4x more than 16. Now that implies x is less than, both the sides divided with 4, minus 1 by 2. Or x is more than, okay? So x is less than minus 1 by 2 or x is more than 4. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 4 to infinity. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 4 to infinity. So out of the given options, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 4 to infinity is nothing but first option. So that is the answer for this question. This is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.